Using Manus AI frequently and worried about burning through credits too fast? Here's how to manage your Manus AI credit costs more efficiently. Start by reviewing how your credits are being used inside Manus AI, especially for large tasks, long prompts, or repeated workflows. Try breaking complex requests into smaller focused tasks instead of running massive multi-step jobs every time. Reuse templates, save prompts, and workflows whenever possible so you avoid generating the same outputs repeatedly. You should also prioritize high-value tasks for Manus AI while handling simple work manually or with lighter tools to reduce unnecessary credit usage. If the platform provides usage analytics or billing insights, monitor them regularly to identify which workflows consume the most credits. Finally, test prompts carefully before running large automated jobs so you don't waste credits on avoidable mistakes or revisions. Now you know how to reduce unnecessary Manus AI credit usage and manage your costs more efficiently.